Now that our Raspberry Pi is booted up, let's proceed to open the Python program that we're going to execute to run the code for our project. So I'm going to go open up a file explorer here, and I'm going to navigate to the folder where I downloaded the resources for the class. So in here, we can open the button press LED folder, and you should see a Python file, button press LED. I'm going to open that in the Python IDE, and once that loads up, let's go ahead and run that script. So you can click on the green arrow here, and we can take a look here at the shell. So now I'm going to press the button for our circuit, and notice what happens. There's our LED, it's lighting. So when you press the button, okay, our LED comes on, and as I remove my hand from the button, the LED goes off. Okay, so it's simple demonstration here, but really there's a couple of important concepts that we're understanding. Here we're learning how to take that input from the button to determine the state of the button, and once we have that, we are then actually affecting the output to the LED. So very interesting. Again, it's a simple example, but it illustrates some powerful concepts. In the next lecture, we'll do a code review, so you will get to see how the software interacts programmatically with our GPIO pins.